Hi guys, this is John here, and welcome to another walkabout video. Today we are in the flamingo garden, which is a garden with birds. There's some birds over here. Gosh, those birds sound upset. Look at that. Oh my gosh, there's birds walking around here in the wild. That's pretty crazy. Look at this big tree. And you also have a golf cart there too. Wow, look at those. I'm not sure what kind of birds they are, but I think they might be peacocks. Oh, this one's coming closer. Look at him. He's staring straight at me. That's pretty cool. Now we're inside the gift shop, which leads into the store. Look at this. You have sugar cane. Look at all this. Ooh, can we go through here? Yay! I just went through that thing.
You saw it, you did. You saw that.
Oh, I didn't know this is also counts as a kitty cat garden. That's actually a real cat. Check that out. There is a peacock over there. A male peacock, which is the pretty ones.
They got this across the road.
Awesome.
Beautiful. Like this one.
No, don't chase the peacock. Oh, I like peacocks. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to get this on camera. That's awesome. Look at this.
Look, they always put their one leg curled up.
Yeah.
Why do I like filming peacocks so much?
Yeah, he won't turn off that thing.
Just don't go in.
I know, we won't. Not unlike that other kid.
Don't do what I do. Don't do what I'm about to do.
Look at that. How close am I really? Not really close. I'm just zooming in really far. You may not be able to see that well, but that spot over there is actually a snake. There. So this is kind of like a zoo. Look at that. There's an otter underneath that rock, and there's some otters underneath that house. You can't see him though. No. Look at that. It's a baby turtle, guys. Over here is a big turtle. Look at him. He's huge. I don't even know I'm recording them right now. What are these things? Turtle, come out, wherever you are. There's a turtle in here hiding somewhere.
A bunch of them.
Look, all those turtles. It's a turtle party. Turtle, turtle, turtle,
Wow, there's
turtle.
a lot of them.
A lot of little tiny turtles. This is if an alligator and a snapping turtle had a baby. That's what it would be like. That's what they really look like. It's an alligator snapping turtle. Peacock? It's like in Pokemon where there's a shiny Pokemon. Except it's a white one.
I've never seen
That's
that.
cool. Look at that thing. It's so fluffy. Yeah, let's have a
See,
few
those,
other ones.
that's the girl up there. There's a girl over there. My God.
Alligator! Look at that. That's an alligator. Alligator bathing in the sun. It's a kitty.
It's a little cat.
This is a bobcat. Straight up here, all cuddled up in the shade. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's a flamingo. Look, they're drinking next to the water fountain. How is green water good water? I guess it's good for them. Sorry. They sound like they're farting, but even though that's the noise they make. You sound like a fart. Hello, Mr. Peacock. Underneath the bush. That's a bird. And that's a lot of feathers that's throwing at us. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. That's pretty. Do a little spin. That peacock was a show off. It's a boy because it has long tail. Whoa.
That's why Annie thought that was one.
I'm not even zooming in. I'm actually this close to the peacock.
Isn't that beautiful?
How did he get up there? Guys, tell me, how did the peacock get up there? And there's also a peacock right below us, right here. Staring at his friend. Hello. Hello. Crows! I think these might be crows. Look at that. Man, what's in here? that. Lizard. That's not part of the place, but it's a lizard. Lizard.
Oh, wow.
Whoa. That's a cool bird. That looks like an owl, but even though it's not an owl, it's a different bird.
Oh, yeah, look at how pretty.
Where? Whoa!
You know, the owls
Look
can
at
get their head all the way around.
Yeah, I know that.
You done this.
This is the great corn owl.
Oh, wow.
Definitely is great. Look at that guy. I'm gonna name this one Puffy because he's very puffy. Little tiny owls, hold the phone.
Statues. Look at that.
Oh my gosh, adorableness is over 9,000.
Oh, wow. It is over 9,000. Look at that.
Adorableness over 9,000. That's just
So cute.
adorable.
No, owl.
They're just so adorable. That's not a rock, that's an owl. Tiny owl.
They're barreling owls. They live underground, guys.
Oh, so these are underground owls? Owl.
Eagle. It's some type of eagle.
Man, he's like a boss. Look, there's little duckies there.
Oh,
That's a hawk.
wow. Up close so he doesn't run away.
That's
Looking beautiful. Amazing. That's the
crazy.
American bird.
That's an eagle, guys. That's an eagle.
That's awesome.
Sitting right in front of my face. An eagle. I guess we were lucky to see the other eagle because this is a gold eagle cage and I don't see any gold eagles. Guys, it's a little bit hard to see,
He's
but
different looking.
standing right there is actually a golden eagle. He blends it so well.
Ooh,
That's a close one. More birds. Whoa,
Oh wow, they fly like hawks.
little tiny hawks. Those are cute. They're like baby hawks. Oh, he does. Looks like there's a den for some sort of animal here. These are a bunch of random birds in one cage. You can probably find these birds in a pet shop.
Well, not
I turned it off.
Well, not that one. Actually, never mind. Look at that bird.
the blue jays.
It's a blue jay. No, you can't find blue jays.
Oh, look at that one. He's pretty.
I know.
Look at that one.
I'm recording. Aww.
Yeah, he's digging. Look at him go.
Look at that little blackbirdie over there. He's so
he's
fluffy. So many little birds to look at.
Oh, he wants to be in a picture.
Look at him. Look at these birds.
Are you trying to be in a picture?
Come on, what the heck? This one wants to be on camera. Look at that.
I think so.
He just like take pictures of me. Aww, these little white ones are so cute. There's a crow. Oh. Oh, hello. You want to be on camera? He just flew right up to the cage. Like, I want to be on camera. Well, here you go. You're on camera. Oh, it's starting to go to sleep. That's weird. We're back. We're back at the alligator, and now he's facing in the other direction. That's a big bird. Birdie Island. I'm on a bridge. Just lay down, not on Birdie Island. Look at all those birds. It's Birdie Island. Look at this birdie. We're throwing at kibbles.
Thank you.
There you go.
Okay.
There's another one.
For you. And share.
Well, that's our last one, Birdie. Still hasn't seen any freshwater turtles yet. Turtle and Birdie, well, flamingo, best friends. Oh, that little baby turtle's still staring at me. They're still underneath the house. Still can't see him. This is the otter place, not a bluebird place. Go.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, okay.
Drinky, drinky. Go, 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 go.
Come on,
Go,
guys.
go, go, go. We're gonna take the other way around. This bird's blocking our way. Peacock, why?
He's beautiful.
The white peacock over there. Why do you like your picture being taken? Well, I'm taking a picture of you right now, bro. Are you happy? Oh boy, this bird's getting me a little bit creeped out. He's following This peacock just ate sugar. Yeah, because he's all psychotic. He's all like,
Look.
he's all running around in the bushes over there. Look at that, look at that, look at that. He's sprinting. Okay, there's the tiger looking for stuff. Probably looking at a bird. Where is it? What is this again? I don't know. Leopard, tiger, something. Pretty cool.
Oh, one's up on the roof over here.
Oh, I see there's one. Now he's away.
Here comes the one that's on the roof.
Yeah, look at he's coming this way.
Here goes the other guy.
Oh, he's hungry. It's like,
Eat people.
That's crazy.
Look at the paw. Big, heavy.
It's just laying here. Like it's casual. Casually laying here. Tiger's coming up really close. Look at him. He's right next to us.
oh, what a pretty kitty. Are you hungry?
Oh my gosh. Looks hungry.
He's big.
Are you a hungry
like he's
kitty?
hungry.
Spider peacock on the roof. They look like Magikarp. And look, they're all gathering around us like they're all hungry.
Wow.
Feed me. There's a kitty cat here. He's looking around for food. So I got some fishy food. Here you go. Here to go. Eat it up. Oh my gosh. This is so entertaining.
Oh, look at him.
Oh my god. Here you go. Someone eat that. Eat this. I got him.
The little tiny one almost got it.
Here you go.
I got tiny one. Tiny one. I like it.
Oh my god.
There was a
Ah.
little tiny one. That's bad.
Oh, the little tiny ones are getting it.
I
Yay.
want to get the little tiny one. Okay,
Get the food.
here we go.
It's a race for the food. Last
The little
one.
minnows ate that. Oh, no, the arms are gone.
Ah, again.
What is one? What is one?
Drop it in.
Okay.
Oh, they're fighting for the food.
What is one? What is one?
You're like,
Come on, get now! You steal that one guy!
This
There
guy
you go.
is just like so fat. He's a fat
Yay!
fishy.
He got him.
He's a
Okay,
fat
you need to get, you need to go on a diet.
Yeah.
Go on a
You need
diet.
to lose your.
You can get one.
Eat it! No! Yay!
Okay, got two more left.
Come on.
This one? Little tiny one? Okay. Yay, got one.
Okay, last food. Who wants it? Come and get it. Oh, the little. Yay! Yep. Bye, fishies. Red one. Red, bro. You need to go on a diet. You ate too much kibble. Bye, Tomcats. So guys, I think this might be the end of my walkabout video. If you guys did enjoy, remember to leave a like and share and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Bye. And a chip bag.